Good evening, friends. This is Sabri here. Hope you are all doing great. Those who are following me are aware that on June 16th, I mentioned that this market will rally, and I given a level to that extent the market will rally. After that, it will take a pause and take a correction. Okay? So those who are not following me today, I thought of reiterating that level again, and on top of it, I thought of giving you three justifications, three technical justifications. All these three justifications will converge to one specific level. Okay? So we'll see three justifications and the level at which this rally will take a pause or correction. Alright? Come on, let's go right into our session. So this is SPY daily chart. Now I'm not sure people are aware of this specific pattern. This is called the flag pattern. Okay, when this pattern is formed, we'll take the length of this flag pole and paste it here to find the profit target. Let us see. This is, you see the flag button here. Right now, I'll move this flag right here. Right now, it is showing 360. See here. Let us draw a line. Okay, this is justification number one. This is based on flag pattern. Most of you are aware of Fibonacci, right? Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension. And let us use Fibonacci extension. This is justification number two. On this level, again, there are three levels in Fibonacci extension. Significant level. What are those? 0.618, 1, 1.618. Right? Now, see, 0.618 is showing at 361.7. Right? Let us draw line for second justification. We'll give a different color. This is justification number two. Let's see third justification. We know Fibonacci retracement, right? Let's calculate our Fibonacci retracement. I'll take this tool, Fibonacci retracement, and draw from here to here. Okay. Now Fibonacci retracement is 0.236. There is a concept called reverse Fib. Okay. If the retracement level is 236, market will rally to 2.618 level of Fibonacci. Okay, I'll repeat. If the retracement is 0.236, market will rally up to 2.618 of Fibonacci retracement. That's a formula or a number calculation. Right? Now we'll calculate reverse Fib. Where is 2.618? Exactly at 360. You see here? 2.618, 360. Let me draw another line, third justification. Now, three justifications all converge to 362, 363 in between. Right? We are not having one justification, but we have three justifications. Right? Why I'm telling this? This is not to panic you people. This is let you people trade confidently and cautiously. Once you know this level, you can trade confidently, isn't it? Yes, that's the reason. And this is just to give some insight. And once the market reaches this level, there will be a correction. I'm not telling it will be a crash. It will be a correction. Okay. As far as I know, it will be a correction. And once this correction is honored, once this level is respected by the market, next I will give you the percentage of retracement. Maybe in our next video, I'll present you what will be the level of retracement. I hope this is valuable for you people. If you see value, let's learn and what? Share it with others. So kindly share it with your friends if you see value. And kindly consider subscribing to stay proactive instead of being reactive. Or we all like to be proactive, right? Right. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.